for me, right? Yeah, but no. We're gonna pass on that, alright? We're gonna pass on that, because if I go there, that's the way to the training grounds. And then I'm gonna end up going all the way through the training grounds. And I don't want to do that, because it's too tempting. Even with the GT3, who is speeding. We're gonna fight the urge. No doubt. We're gonna fight the urge, man. We're gonna fight the urge. I forgot, I was editing my video with this new exhaust, with the SC Project CRT exhaust from hell. And it was like I was whispering, or I was talking normal, or like not normal, but I was talking low. I'm not though, I'm actually yelling. But the exhaust is so damn loud that it sounds like I'm talking at a very low volume. But you guys know us, you don't talk at a low volume, do we? We don't. We don't. So we gotta talk at extremely raised volume, otherwise it won't work. Cause I gotta get that juiciness into your ears, guys. And how am I gonna get that juiciness into your ears? FZ something. If it sounds like I'm whispering to you guys. Alright, something's speeding, I can't. It's a motorcycle. Alright. So a lot of riders out, huh? A lot of riders out. That's cool. I'm good with that. So today we had different plans. We had plans to start a brand new series. Well, not start a brand new series, continue a series. A fairly new series. But instead we didn't do that because I got on this bike and I feel funky as hell because it's cold as hell. And I got a lot of colds. I got a lot of layers on right now. So I said F it, and I want to go ride. I just want to ride. I don't want to talk. I don't want to do any of that crap. But let me just ride. So we're going to go to the training grounds. Not the training grounds. We didn't go to the training grounds. Instead, we're going to go to the hunting grounds. And we're going to go clown over there. Because I'm not in the right mindset to do some motovlog type of stuff. I'm in the mindset where I just want to ride. And that's it. I don't care about anything else. I don't care about anything else right now. As long as we're recording too, so we are. I don't care about anything else. It's a beautiful day. We already saw a couple of riders. We saw a GT3 speeding it up. So why don't we be, and we got an F-Type speeding it up now. So everybody's in that speeding it up type of mood. So why should we be motovlogging? F that. I can hold off on the series for another day. It's not a big deal. But we can hold off on is that temptation. That temptation that I got between my butt cheeks. We can't hold that off. I refuse to hold off on that. I refuse to hold off on that, man. I refuse to hold off on that. No, Granny. Gotta say no to the granny. She had to close. You see that granny had to close it, and then she had to look at it. She had to look at it. She had to close it, and she had to look at it. She had to use that tinted window she has, because I'm shining too bright like a diamond. But I really hope I don't have to yell extremely loud every single time I talk. I'm okay with that. I want it to be natural though. I don't want it to be not natural. I want it to be natural. But yeah, I want it to be natural, man. I don't want me to scream for no damn reason. I want to scream for a damn reason. Out of curiosity, let's see. Now when I get home, did I have to scream even more than I have to? Or does it work? Does it twerk? Huh? Does it work and does it twerk? Hell no, homie. I see you, Honda. It's been a while since I used both brakes at the same damn time. I'm wearing too many damn layers. I knew it. As I was piling them layers off, I was butt naked and I was deciding what I need to wear. I knew I was piling on too many damn layers. I knew I was piling on too many damn layers. It's gonna get hot, isn't it? Yeah, I can tell. I'm wearing like a pullover, a tank top, a t-shirt, all kinds of things. But it's okay, it's life. I I gotta learn somehow, right? I gotta learn somehow. In all my years of riding, to this point, man, I still can't decipher or decide or know exactly how to articulate what kind of stuff should I be wearing for what kind of weather. Still not good at that. After what, like 7 years of riding? 6 years of riding? I don't even know. How long have I had this channel? That's how many years I've been riding, basically. What does that say? Strike out. Emma took our grandmother to the crib. I don't know what that said. This helmet, it's not that good as people talk. Yeah, the helmet isn't as good as people rave about it. Like, I have so much problem turning left to right. It keeps hitting on my jacket's neck back thingy. The collar of my neck, of my jacket, the collar of my jacket, the back part of it, the back part of my helmet, it keeps hitting it. And all the buttons for the shockwave thing is on the back of the helmet, so it keeps pressing all the buttons. So Bluetooth, that was a waste of like 150 bucks right there. That was a waste. I think we got a Corvette up there. We are loud and we are proud today, man. Is the Corvette leaving? Nah, it's still here, but I don't trust it. Because why did it go into the lane with so many people in it? And why did I go through the lane to split with the most cars in it? Things like that. No questions, sir. No questions. No questions for it, man. No answers for it, I mean. No answers for it. Our goal is to see anybody with the windows down for them to turn it back up. Because we too damn loud. Because Nimbus is too damn loud. Too damn loud. Oh my gosh, he sounds so damn good. Homie, don't switch lanes on me! Thank you, truck. How to make sure this truck right here doesn't switch lanes and take up the open one. Because if anybody wanted to be behind another... Ooh, what's that? Oh, I thought it was a tornado. I got happy. But it's just smoke letting out of a shop. How much do you want to bet we're gonna hit that little hole in the middle of the damn road? How much do you want to bet? I'm gonna try to dodge it. When I try to dodge something, I end up hitting it or going through it. So watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna hit it. No, I'm gonna put my foot in it though. Ooh, is that Corvette, that new one, the mid-range crap? Nah, I hit ugly as hell, man. Well, it's not ugly as hell. It's just ugly. I don't know why people be raving about it. It'd be cheap though, so I guess that's why people be buying it and then raving about it. The dude right here doing the sideways crip walk, you see that? Oh, he has a limp, never mind, my bad. My bad, my bad. Why is it that one of my headlights, never mind, I can see them both. I thought one of my headlights, I was looking at the bumper of this Honda, I thought one of my headlights was out. But it ain't though, it ain't though. Ha! Ha! Now he's taking the highway, isn't he? Wait. I want to make sure before I do some dirty cuts and he's doing that swapping like a crazy mug, I want to see if he's going where we going. Yeah, he's going to the highway. Why did I even cut? What was the point? What was the point of you coming into my life if you're going to leave me like that, man? What was the point of you coming into my life if you're going to leave me like that? Huh? What was the point? Huh, guy? What are you trying to teach me, guy? What are you trying to teach me? I don't understand what he's trying to teach me. We got some homeless people out here. I never understand why they come in this area, because they know if the cops see them, they're gonna, I know because there's a lot of rich people, that's why. But like if cops see you, they're gonna go up your butt, toss you in the trash. So what's the point, man? But you gotta keep grinding, I guess. You see how I throw out that question and my brain articulates an answer like that? Like I can't snap, but like that. And as always, with this exhaust, we got butt plugs in our ears, butt plugs for our ears, in our ears, rocking them, socking them, bopping them. You know, the funny thing is that whenever I'm riding, I'm all peaceful and calm and whatnot. When I'm editing this exact footage, I'm looking at it, I'm like, dude, I have an open road. Why isn't he gunning it? Gun it, gun it. Like, I'm cheering myself on, even though I know I'm not gonna do it because there's already pre-recorded footage. But now I kind of understand what you guys feel when you watch my footage and you see like an open path here and you're like, dude, you're riding in 4, drop it in a 3rd. And why aren't you doing stuff like that? I understand what you guys mean because I'm doing the same exact thing when I'm watching myself ride, but when I'm Jixer. But when I'm actually out, man, that dude had no gloves on. He said, look, my no hands. But I get what you guys mean, but when I'm riding, I'm just chilling. There's no point of me speeding because I'm just chilling. Just chilling. Straight chilling. Me gusta porque este me gusta. We got nothing in my head right now, right? No songs, no lyrics, no nothing. So if anything, if I do start rapping something or I do start saying something, because I've been listening to OSTs lately, original soundtracks. I've been listening to them hoes lately, so they got no lyrics. It's just a soundtrack. So I got nothing to rap to you guys. So if I do start rapping something over and over again, it's because organically it gave birth into my head, and that's why I'm rapping it. So just a little for your information kind of thing. Beamer, I'm gonna let you take it. Corvette, you'll never get it, man. You'll never get it. I'll give it to you, Beamer. Man, I used the rear brake like a mug. Oh, come on, man. I literally just stopped, guy. What up, dog? He nodded, he nodded. For some reason, I thought, yeah, it's an M series. I was gonna say for some reason I thought it was an M series, but I thought right. I thought right. Dude, stop recording me, douchebag. I'm playing. I don't mind. Record me all you guys like. Record me all you guys like. I'm available for paid bookings. There's a girl on Instagram that I like to watch. Or keep tabs on, alright? Who I'm trying to front on? Keep tabs on. Huh? Keep tabs on. Alright, thank you for boxing me. I gave you a spot, douchebag, Beamer, and then that's how you stop in the lane. And I believe that was a Bentley in the back. I'm thirsty for them hoes nowadays, man. I'm really thirsty for them hoes nowadays. Because almost every single one that I come across wants to clown. Almost every single one of them wants to clown. So I'm thirsty for them right now. Thirsty for them, man. That's what I'm trying to say. Not thirsty for them, mana. Who the hell is mana? I've been watching too much anime, man. I've been watching too much anime. But they never say that word. They don't say that word. So where did I get that word from? I don't know. Who knows? Who knows how my brain works? Sounds so good, but I know it does not all the way sound like that all the time, because be a douchebag. I got up in front of him. I basically cut in line, but I gave him the 2 fingers of peace, love and peace, because that's what we about. God, this helmet makes me so angry. This helmet, I thought it was a Maybach, but it ain't though. Man. It's not a Maybach. But this helmet makes me so angry, man. Every time I turn, it gets caught up on my collar of my back jacket. And I don't like. Yeah, man. See, I make people's days. Makes people's days. I was gonna gun it, but then I was like, nah, I gotta be a better role model for my homies, young ones. I can't be a douchebag all the damn time, right? Can't be a douchebag all the damn time. Gotta be a little bit better. So see, I was a good person. Ooh, AMG. But he won't gun it. Why he won't gun it? Because this area, you're not allowed to gun it in this area. You're gonna get done up in this area if you gun it in this area. I don't know what's happening here. Alright, that one's closing. You gonna open for us? No. Alright, cool. 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 You see the lineup in the back? It's all marks. You guys see that? I gotta be careful because usually there's la policía who's usually right around this area. Because they know, everyone knows in this area, everybody, you know, see this little dude in the corner? That's where he usually is. Because everybody in this area tries to cut, those two lanes try to cut into this lane. Ah! They try to cut. So this is the perfect place for people to speed and for la policía to be a little hoe about it. Nah, I mean, got the AMG behind us. I wanted to F it, but well, still that's better than me saying the actual word. So I'll take F it. I'll take F it. I'm trying to be a good person with, you know, character and whatnot. So I think you guys can let that slide. Me saying F it instead of the actual word.